This is How Does Everything Work? Quick, clear, simple. Hit subscribe and let's make the world make sense. Computers feel unbelievably smart, but under the hood, they're actually doing something surprisingly simple. They take electricity and turn it into information. Literally everything your computer does comes down to tiny bursts of electrical signals that get translated into ones and zeros. This system is called binary. A 1 means electricity is flowing. A 0 means it isn't. Every photo, every video, every game, every website you've ever opened is made of billions of these tiny on-off switches. So who turns all those ones and zeros into something useful? That's the job of the CPU, the central processing unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It reads instructions, does math checks logic, and makes decisions. Billions of decisions every single second. But the CPU can't work alone. It needs quick access to the information it's working on right now. That's RAM. Think of RAM as your computer's short-term memory. The more RAM you have, the more things your computer can think about at the same time without slowing down. Then you have storage. This is your computer's long-term memory where all your files, apps, photos, and videos live. Modern computers use SSDs, solid-state drives that store information as electrical charges instead of spinning disks like old hard drives. That's why everything loads so much faster now. But how does a computer actually do anything? It all comes down to one repeating loop. Input, process, output. You click your mouse. That's input. The CPU figures out what that click means. That's processing. The screen updates. That's output. This loop happens millions of times every second, and it's the foundation of everything a computer does, from opening a browser to streaming Netflix. When it comes to visuals, there's another important part, the GPU, the graphics processing unit. Unlike the CPU, which handles one major task at a time, the GPU handles thousands of smaller tasks all at once. That makes it perfect for gaming, video editing, animation, and anything that needs huge amounts of visual math done very fast. And all of these parts, CPU, RAM, storage, GPU, they're connected through the motherboard, the big circuit board that keeps everything powered and talking to each other. But there's still one more essential piece, the operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS. This is the translator that turns your clicks into commands, manages your apps, prevents conflicts, and organizes everything happening in the background. Without an operating system, your computer is just expensive metal and wires. So how do computers work? Electricity becomes ones and zeros. The CPU solves them. RAM holds them. Storage saves them. The GPU draws them. And the operating system pulls it all together, so what you see on the screen actually makes sense. It's not magic. It's math, happening at billions of calculations a second. If this helped the world make a little more sense, hit subscribe, because we're just getting started.